Hi there folks, and welcome to this easiest way to learn C programming. In this video I will show you how to learn C coding in an easiest way that you can imagine. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So let me go ahead and maximize this editor, and as you can see, as you may have noticed, I have this file created, ex73 structures with unions.c, and I have created these statements a while ago. So today we're going to learn structures with unions in C. So unions are often used within structures because a structure can have a member to keep track of which union members stores a value. So for example, in this following program, a vehicle struct uses either a vehicle identification number VIN here. We use VIN or an assigned ID, but not both. So when we compile and run this, we should be getting this result. Compile and run. So car Ford 2019, which is correct. So let me go ahead and give you another example. Just a quick note though that the union was declared inside the structure. If you notice in here, the union was declared or was applied or have put this inside the structure. When doing this, a union name was required at the end of the declaration. So let me go ahead and create another example for you. Let me just comment these lines, or we can just comment this print statement in here. So here is the second example. Let's go ahead and compile and run this first. Compile and run, and we should be getting the make and model and the ID of the car. So make is Ford, model year is 2019, and the ID is this one. So let me go ahead and close this now. So again, that the union was declared inside the structure. When doing this union name, a union name was required at the end of the declaration. A union with a union tag could have been declared outside the structure, but with such a specific use, the union within the structure provides easier to understand the code. And also note that the dot operator is used twice to access union members, subtract members. The ID type keeps track of which union member stores a value. In this example, the car1 data using the ID type to determine which union member to read. So just a quick note also that a union can also contain a structure, and that's why we were getting the complete results including the ID of our car. And also just a quick note, if you are using C+ or C11 standard, the 2011 CISO version, then you do not have to use or name the union in a struct. You can also not name a structure. This is known as an anonymous union structure or union/struct. And in the example here, it will allow you to drop the .id of the car.id.num and just do the car ID _num. So on this line, so if you're using the C11 standard, you can just do the car.id num, which is more readable. In addition to that, you can declare structure and you can declare union because it's convenient of C programming. So we can say structure can contain the union. And that's it for this video. And before we wrap up, let's go ahead and test your knowledge. I have here on this tab, I have a little exercise for you. So I want you to fill in the blanks to declare the person struct with a union member. So as you can see, there's a blank space in here that you need to fill in, and if you already know the answer, please put it in the comment section below. Thank you.